How to download and install Epic Games Launcher in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by opening up a browser of your choice. Now, what you want to do is go and search for Epic Games in Google, which will result in the Epic Games Store. That's what we want. Click the first link on Google. Now, as you can see, once this page loads, you're on the official Epic Games Store website. Now click Get Epic Games in the top right, which will prompt a download. Now you can download it. Click Save. This is now downloading, as you can see in the top right. Now that this is done, click open the folder. There you go, open the folder, double click the installer. You close all this out. Now this is the destination folder for the Epic Games Launcher setup. You can change it or leave it. Click install. Now this is going to install the Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11. We'll be back once this is done. Now that this is done, the Epic Games Launcher is launching and verifying if there are updates, and if there are, it will update the launcher itself. This might take some time as well. Now that the Epic Games Launcher is finally completely up to date, it looks like this. You can now log in using your Epic Games account. I will say sign in later just to show you how the Epic Games Launcher looks, so that you can see that we have downloaded and installed the Epic Games Launcher successfully on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.